This is Kintsuglue. It's a Sugru knockoff available from Bunnings hardware store in Australia and I guess other retailers around the world. The goal with this stuff today is basically to fit a rubber grip onto the arms of these sunglasses so that they hold better and do not slide off. Let's see how they go. So I happen to know that for this particular repair, Sugru would probably actually work pretty well. I've used it before, and I think applying some Sugru on here would actually work reasonably effectively. In this particular example, this particular stuff, we've got the usual use cases and so on here. It appears to be that it stays flexible, waterproof, and soft touch, and so on, which are all what I'm looking for. Very small piece. Take it, shape it, and apply it. I haven't prepared the surface in any way. I probably should have in hindsight. I just simply wiped it down. I probably should have cleaned it with isopropyl alcohol or something like that. But I guess we'll see how we go. Stuff's starting to harden up already. So I guess the working time doesn't actually tell you what the working time is on the instructions there. It appears to be not that long. Yeah, might have to wash my hands after this, eh? Here we are 24 hours later. The Kintsuglue has dried. It seems to be stuck on fairly well, certainly not coming off very easily. It's formed itself reasonably well and seems to have done the job. There was a small amount left over, which I formed into a ball. It's actually pretty tough, like, you know, fairly resilient, doesn't break apart too easily. So overall, this stuff seems to be pretty good. It doesn't have quite the rubbery feel as Sugru. It's a little drier feeling, I guess, but by and large seems to have a fairly similar texture. Okay.